Alright everyone, I'll go ahead and show you how to install Fortnite on any supported device right now fairly easily. This is really the only way to do it right now unless you have an APK from a different file. But what I will tell you though is that if you have an unsupported device, I will drop a tutorial fairly soon on how to install it on those specific devices. But as you can see, I have an S20, so it's completely supported here, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to search up on Google Fortnite APK. Now you don't even have to do this, but this is the easiest way. I usually do it, or I'll just leave this link in the description. It'll be the first link down there. You can get it from there. But what you want to do is search this up or click that link in the description and go to the first one that says Fortnite Mobile on Android. Okay, so once you have this, you'll go ahead and be presented with this specific website. And then you just want to click right here. And it'll go ahead and tell you some legal information. You want to click agree there, and it'll take you a second. And as you can see, you'll be presented in the Samsung Galaxy Store. Now, if you don't have the specific Galaxy Store, you can always go through and download an APK somewhere else. But this is pretty much just to get the game. You can download it without doing this with the APK if you really think about it. But once you're at this point, you just want to click update, and then you can go ahead and do whatever. But I already have it downloaded, but you just want to get the Epic Games app. And like I said, if you don't have the Galaxy Store, there should be a little thing that'll just allow you to download the Fortnite game. Or you can always go to APK Pure, APK Merit, whatever those websites, and get that specific APK from there. But once you have downloaded the Epic Games app, which is right there, all you want to do at this point is just open it, and you'll probably more times than not see the little Fortnite banner right there. So at this point, all you want to do is just click on it, and you'll see a little pop-up, and it'll say whatever, this and that. And you want to go ahead and go up here and click install, and it'll go ahead and download it, and a little pop-up will probably come up and tell you to install it. Now you might be wondering, why the heck is Fortnite not on Google Play anymore? Well, Fortnite and Google actually had like a huge dispute not too long ago, and that's basically, they had to get taken off the Play Store. I guess it was kind of like a protest in a way, but they eventually made their own thing, and I'm sure they're making a lot more money this way than going through Google Play. So this will just take a couple of seconds to install, and then from there we just have to, basically install Fortnite on the device, which is going to take a couple minutes. As you can see, it's installing, and then eventually I might get a pop-up, I might not, but it'll just depend on whatever it is. As you can see, Fortnite is installed, and you'll see a little thing that says launch. So all you want to do is launch it. You'll see a couple of these different parameters. You can take them off or put them on. I really don't care, so I'm going to click continue, and then whatever. I'm going to click OK. I am One UI 2 on Android right now, which is probably like Android 10, which is probably a little bit too much for this. And you'll get here, and you can go ahead and log into your account, which I'll go ahead and do. So as you can see, I just logged in, and I got back into the Epic Games panel, and I'll pretty much get to an area where I'm going to have to install the game. So once you get here, you just have to go up top right here, click install, and it'll go ahead and whatever, it'll say don't go anywhere. So this will take a couple minutes for it to install, okay, and it probably end up taking even longer than that, maybe even like up to 20 minutes sometimes for me. And at this point, all you want to do is just let it update, let it go through and install. And once it's done installing, you'll pretty much just get to the Fortnite banner page, and then you can go ahead and play a game and do whatever you want to at that point. But that's pretty much the process. So once this is done, I'll get back to you, and I'll go ahead and go through this setup so you don't have to go through that boring thing again. But I'll go ahead and show you exactly what happens when it's done installing. And as you can see, at some point you will be redirected into Fortnite, and you can go through once you log in and everything. And as long as you have a device that is supported, you can go ahead and go through and download it this way, and you can go ahead and click play. I'll go ahead and click play for you guys, and that's really pretty much the process. You just play Fortnite how you usually do. Just the beginning process was basically the setup. So if you guys have any questions or you run into any issues, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel, all those links are linked down below. I'd really appreciate if you guys could check it out. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.